All right guys, today we're going to be talking about a rechargeable electric club car, golf cart. We're going to be addressing batteries. So if you're getting value from any of these videos on this channel, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. So basically we got this club car a year or two ago, and when we got it, we were told that the batteries are pretty much new. And upon further analysis, they are, if you can see down there, looks like they were in 2017 and it's 2022, so they're about 5 years old. I spoke with a buddy of mine that runs a golf course, and he said that he at the most gets 4 years out of a set of batteries. Some of them he only gets 1.5 years, but that's with heavy use on a golf course. But so as you can see, these here have a lot of looks like some liquid that's come out the top. These are resealable batteries. In other words, you can undo the tops to get into them, so they're not sealed. If you have sealed batteries, you're probably nothing you can do about that. But since we have ones that are removable, we can get in there to see the status of them. We can check them out, and basically I've already looked and it's hard to see in there, but basically there's fins in there. And if the liquid is below those fins, then you have some maintenance that you need to do. And what you need to do to start with is to put some distilled water in there and bring that level up to well above those fins. So we're gonna do that and then put it back on the charger and see if that helps us out. What the golf cart's been doing is we'll put it on the charger. It'll charge just fine. The charger will turn on, shut off appropriately when they're charged. But the kids get the golf cart out, and within less than 5 minutes, it's dead. When we got it about 1 year ago, I mean, it would run forever and with lots of power. So we're gonna put some distilled water in these battery cells. This is a 36 volt system, and see how it comes out. Down in there, there's no water at all on those fins. Well, I greatly underestimated how much water we would need and how low our batteries were. So I just got back from the store with some more water, and so we're gonna finish topping off these batteries. I'm on the last battery here, and just wanted to try to show you what it looks like in there. The sunlight is maybe a little bit more helpful on this side, but there's some fins down in there, and the water, I've added a little bit of water already. The water's still not covering the fins yet, so I got to add some more, but I just wanted to give you a look. Once again, if your batteries are sealed, you're not going to have this option. This is only if you're able to take the caps off the top of the batteries. So we got all the batteries topped off. I'm going to plug back into the charger, let it finish charging back up, and see how it acts after topping all those batteries off. All right guys, so this golf cart's been charging all night. So we're gonna see if topping off the batteries with distilled water made any difference. And everything looks good. it made a huge difference. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how big of a difference it made. I mean, it was definitely really low on water. I mean, it took, for 6 batteries, I think it took almost 4 gallons of distilled water. And I would have thought that the fact that those batteries were that low they would have been past the point of no return, but this is running super well. So if you have batteries that are you're able to get into them, if they're not sealed batteries, man, and your golf cart's starting to get slow, definitely check the water level in the batteries. This definitely was the problem for us. So good luck with all of your projects. Until next time, have a great day.
You like riding on a fast.
I would like to say one more additional thing. Adding distilled water to your batteries does not solve everything. Like I think I said earlier, these batteries are 5 years old and they're not going to be like new batteries just because I topped them off. It did make a huge difference, and it's going to buy us some additional time. So if you have the same situation, you might just check your water levels in your battery if you can. So that's all I got for today. Good luck with your golf cart.